Hi guys, Ron here. Today we've got something a little different for you. We've got a bike, a BMW K1600 B. This bike is here for a full wash, paint decontamination. We're going to do a 2-stage paint correction on it, as well as full pre-cut PPF.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down to go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake or loyal? Why no water, death designer, baby, pick your poison. These little demons living underneath my bed, creeping. Know the real monster lives above them all, sleeping. That subtle breathing in your closet every single evening. Thought you never see me again, looks can be deceiving.
Okay guys, a lot of you didn't know, but we also PPF bikes. We also use our pre-cut software to make it an almost invisible, perfect fit. Here's our template wall. All the templates for the K1600 has been pre-cut. We don't use any blades on your bike. The film also comes with a lifetime warranty. It won't go yellow, it won't go brittle, and it won't peel.
When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. I used to think that people die because they wicked. Nowadays people wanna see you dead because you gifted. Been ready for my tomb since I came up out the womb. So no matter what, I'm coming back and paying you a visit. Saw it coming, I predicted, but y'all wouldn't listen. No, you can't protect your riches if you never burn bridges. Flip pages, went places, made changes, still dangerous. Now I'm back, altercation, hold still. I make it painless how it feel, baby. When you say you love me, is it real, baby? Full speed, both hands on the wheel, baby. Young Taz coming from the Mobile, baby. You know the drill, baby. Yeah. And when you hear the sound of the drum, we'll be saying, here we come. Yeah, here we come. Hey, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Yeah.
Okay, so on this bike we did a 2-stage paint correction. We did full self-healing pre-cut PPF. This is our first bike video for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave us some feedback. We've got more bike videos to come. Please like, share and subscribe.
When you say